Hi, this is Anne Lowe. I'm Chris Watts. It's the 23rd of June 2011. Anne, what are we doing today?
Today we are going to go to the sanctuary. As you can see, it's a little bit rough out here. We go to the old sanctuary. We're going to do a comparison site there and look at the coral species. Chris is going to take some really good photographs as part of our photo inventory of what species are on the island.